Welcome to another video, guys, and today we're going to be talking about a very good news regarding the H1B visa. I'm going to explain what the scenario is, and then I'm going to tell you how this is going to affect you, because this is important for you. You need to know what the major change has been on the H1B, and this actually happened within the last 24 hours. I'm bringing it to you as soon as possible, and really what's important to know is that you may need some context over here. All right, and I'm going to tell you over here. It says computer programmers can be granted H1B visas now. US court confirms specialty status. All right, and you might be thinking to yourself, hey, what does it mean? Were computer programmers not able to get visas before? The answer is yes. And you know why? Because in 2017, USCIS had made a provision. They had denied computer programming as an occupation, which is, hey, you already know you need to have a specialty occupation in order to take up an H1B job. H1B people are people who are, granted jobs in the US because there's very little people in the US who can perform that job. Or, there's basically a lack of such people thereof. Now, that means that it has to be a specialty occupation. And USCIS said that in 2017, they said, hey, computer programmer, most of these people are just a bachelor degree holder. And these people should not be given the H1B based on their occupation because it's not a specialty occupation. And that's something that has been challenged in court. And, finally, I'll tell you the name of the firm that won the case as well. They've been fighting for 2 years. It's actually Innova Solutions over here. You can check it out. Innova Solutions. And they were fighting for this Indian citizen that they hired back in 2018. This case was happening, and they were basically fighting. They actually lost the case once in one of the California courts. But right now what has happened is that I'll tell you over here that USCIS has lost the case. That means, and by the way, if you know how things work in the field of law, right, you will know that now companies will be a lot more optimistic. Hey, Google wants to hire a computer programmer, no problem. They can hire Indians, they can hire Chinese, they can hire Filipino, they can hire people from any nationality on an H1B. And guess why? Because now this exact case, this is sort of like a cornerstone. You can always refer back to it, and next time if, let's say, USCIS petitions against, hey, why did you offer this person an H1B, we don't think it's a specialty occupation, computer programmer, well, USCIS can just say, hey, look at this case by Innova Solutions. In this case, it happened that you already saw that the court of law has agreed to basically accepting that computer programmer is essentially a specialty occupation. And you know what? Conversation over. That's all. You don't need to go any further. You don't need to prove it again and again. So this is how things work in the field of law. I'm sure if some of you are from that field, you will already know this. But either way, it's a very, very good development for you guys. It's a very good change, and I'm gonna leave the link to the article in the description. You can go ahead, you can read for yourself. You can also check it out online again, but at the same time, I just wanted to be covering that news on this channel. I wanted to make sure that you're aware of it. And again, like I said, for more genuine content, subscribe to the channel, and at the same time, feel free to comment under the video. I'll be very happy to help understand that I'm here to help you guys. I want to engage in a conversation with you. So we're here on YouTube. I know I'm not able to reply on all the comments, but I'll try my best in this video. Okay, this is gonna help a lot of people, hopefully. Have a good day. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. Take care.